Come look. What's that? You like it? What'd you think? Okay. Is it different? I know it's not your round bed. How's it feel though? Oh, you're not gonna bite it, are you? You're supposed to lay on it. Oh my God, you're so funny. Are you gonna lay down? Oh, are you telling me you want your old round bed? He's not sure yet, I guess. Oh, there we go. How is that, baby? Is it good? Are we good? I think we're good. Nice. Looks very nice. Feels pretty sturdy. Very nice dense foam. I think it's a keeper.
I bought this a little less than 2 months ago. My dog did not like it the first couple weeks. Oh, Lucy. I had to wash it. The first 2 weeks she had nothing to do with it until I finally washed it. I guess she just didn't like the feel of it because when she washed it, it's a lot lighter. And it feels a little different. And ever since then, she has really enjoyed the bed. Are you gonna get on it? Right here? Oh, nope. And she weighs about 65 pounds. This is a decent sized bed for her compared to the other ones that she was usually half off of. This one she can really sprawl out.
This is the extra large waterproof orthopedic dog bed that I ordered that fits in my dog's extra large crate because he is 110 pounds and needs a lot of space. And as you can see, not only does the dog like the bed, but the cats have now decided that the dog crate is their favorite place to be because the bed is so soft and smushy. And the fabric looks really durable. I've seen him dig in it to lay down and it looks perfect, just like it did when we took it out of the container. So we are very happy with his dog bed.
It's a perfect size with the cage. Zeus, you love checking. Oh, you see the old one.
Do you like your bed? Hey, come here. Look at me. Well, he hasn't complained about it yet, so I guess he likes it.